South Coast AC Repair and Installation is a highly skilled AC repair and installation in Santa Fe, Texas who offers a variety of AC repair and installation to residential and commercial clients. We provide many different types of services, including air conditioning, HVAC services, and heating services. Call our HVAC contractor today to set up an appointment. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found HVAC contractors. How much does a HVAC installation cost? When it comes to HVAC installation, South Coast AC Repair and Installation in Santa Fe, TX offers competitive pricing and exceptional value for homeowners and businesses seeking top quality heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions. Why choose South Coast AC Repair and Installation? With years of experience in the HVAC industry, the team at South Coast AC Repair and Installation has the knowledge and expertise to tackle any heating and cooling project. What is your service area? Our HVAC contractors serve the following Texas locations: Santa Fe, Dickinson, Lamarck, Alvin, League City, Webster, Friendswood, Seabrook, Pearland, Galveston, La Porte, South Houston, Pasadena, Deer Park, Texas City. Where is your South Coast AC Repair and Installation office located? We are located at 5712 Highland Road, Santa Fe, Texas 77517, United States. Our phone number is 281-248-8564. Visit our website, www.southcoastac.com/.